Take atta, required amount of atta. I'm just showing for 4 or 5 chapatis. Just take some atta and put some salt. Now add a little bit of water and gently stir. No need to press too hard. Just pour a little bit of water extra. Normally we will mix somewhat tight. For our roti maker we have to mix atta little bit looser. So this is the consistency. So this is the consistency. Finally add some little dry flour on that. So this is the consistency. So finally if we need oil, you can add a little bit of oil finally and gently press it. So this is the consistency, and take into balls. This is according to the quantity how much you want. Take like this, just rotate. Take it and keep it. Finished.